Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. Hope everyone's doing great. If this is your first time here, my name is Unwana Udoh, and every week I share content on how you can master your personal finance and grow your wealth. I'm driving right now, so I just wanted to shoot this quick video. So in today's topic, I just wanted to go over why you should never give up on your financial goals. Life happens to all of us. When we're grown up, we have ideas, we have all these dreams and aspirations that we want. Unfortunately, life happens to us, and for most people, they've given up on life. And no matter where you are right now, don't give up on yourself. Okay, you always want to bet on yourself. You cannot rely on people to get you to the next level. You have to get yourself to the next level. So just a little background on myself, and I'm sure you probably heard my story before, but I came to the United States from Africa, from Nigeria, and my main goal was to come here to get an education and then go back to Nigeria and contribute to society over there. Unfortunately, because of the economic situation and the political situation, this is back in 1992, I couldn't go back, so I ended up making America my home. I had a business. Unfortunately, because of the 2007-2008 financial situation, I lost everything, had to file bankruptcy, had issues in my family life, my personal life, and pretty much lost everything and had to start from scratch. At that time when I was going through all this, just one second, I'm looking at the road right now. At that time when I was going through this, I thought that was the end of my life, that was the end of the world, and there was no way out. But I'm here to tell you that there is light at the end of the tunnel. As long as you stay focused on your goals, as long as you stay dedicated and committed to achieving your financial goals, you are going to make it. And I'm telling you, you are going to make it. Fast forward last year, during the health crisis, like I said in my previous video, I was diagnosed with prostate cancer, had to go through surgery. During the pandemic, I survived. So I'm in the process of rebuilding my life right now, and that's why I started this YouTube channel, to be a source of inspiration for people and to motivate people to get themselves to the next level, okay, in life. So you cannot give up on your financial goals, because as long as you're alive, as long as you're healthy, you can always achieve your financial goals. You can always achieve any goals you want. But in this example, I'm using financial goals. So always bet on yourself. Stay focused, stay dedicated, stay committed to whatever task, whatever job, whatever source of income you're getting. Make sure that you stay focused, and at the end of the day, you will achieve your financial goals. Now, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more great content. I am not a guru, I'm just a regular guy like you on YouTube. I saw an opportunity to be able to share my life history and to help people accomplish their goals. So thank you very much for being here. Like I said, never give up on your financial goals. Okay, you are responsible for your goals. Don't become a victim. Whatever your heart desires, come up with a plan, stay focused, okay, and you will get there. All right, so thank you for coming on this journey. And like I said, I'm going to be posting more videos. I'm working on picking up my first investment property, so I am working towards that right now. I'll keep you all posted on that, but also down below I have links to a course that I created. It's called Personal Finance Domination. It has the basics for you to be able to get yourself in a better financial position. So I don't claim to be an expert. I'm just a guy that has a lot of experience and have made bad money mistakes in the past, and I'm trying to correct things and get myself back onto a right path. Okay, so thank you very much for being here. I don't want to drag this too long, but remember, never give up on your financial goals. Take care. See you on the next video. Bye bye.